Hello, first graders. Oh man, I miss having you in class so much. And look where I am today. I am in our classroom, and what board am I in front of? Our math board. We're gonna do some math together today, so I need your help. What I need you to do is when I ask a question, I want you to say it out loud, even though I'm not there. Your mom or your dad or your sister or brother, they're going to be listening and they want to make sure that you're paying attention. So I need you to answer the questions out loud, okay? All right, let's get started. Okay. First things first, let's practice doing before and after numbers by twos. Now, when we're counting by two, how does it start? Let's count our two numbers. First of all, is two even or odd? Well, you're right if you said it was even. Let's count by two. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Right. Let's go ahead and see what our before and after numbers are. Now I have 34 up here on the board. 34. What comes after 34? Let's start at 30. 30, 32, 34, 30, 36. So we've got 34, 36, 30. You're right if you said it was 38. 38. Very good. Now what I want you to do is on a piece of paper, go ahead before me. See if you can write down the answer. What comes before 52? I'll give you a couple seconds to write it down. If you said 50, you're correct. 50, 52, 50, 54. Good job. Now, new section. 48, 50. Let's start at 40, just show how we got there. 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Now, how do we know that 50 comes after 48 when we're counting by twos? Well, we can figure it out one way by counting by tens. Let's count by tens and see how we get to 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So when we're counting by tens, we see that 50 comes after 40. Now what if we count by ones? Let's start at 40. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So we just know that 50 comes after 40. Now when we count by twos, we did 48, 50, 50. Remember, not 51, we're counting by twos. 50, 50, 52. Very good. We've gotten all three rows right so far. Let's go to the next row. Can you write down the before number, before 64, and the after number, after 64 by twos? All right, you should have it on your paper now. What comes before 64? To find out, let's start by counting at 60. 60, 62, 64, 62. 62 is what we say before we say 64. 62, 64, 60, 66. All right, class, one more. Let's go ahead and review what comes before 78 and what comes after. I want you to think about it in your head, count with your fingers if you need to, and write it down. You got it? Okay, let's start at 70. Now remember, we're counting by twos. 70, 70, 2, 70, 70, 70, and, okay, ready? Let's do it together. 70, 72, 74, 76, 78. So 76 comes before 78. 76, 78. Did you say 80? I hope you did. 80 is correct. Now, how do we know that 80 comes after 78? Well, let's count from 70 to 80 by ones. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. And we know that 80 comes next because we've counted by ones, but let's count by tens just to make sure that 80 comes next. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Did 70 come before 80? It did. So that's how we know that 80 comes after 78. 70, 72, 74, 76, 78. Very good. Well, that is our first math thought of today. Come back and watch our next math thought.